Magesco Garden and Pool Services presents some of our swimming pool projects. From Das Marinas, Cavite, from empty to stylish, very simple and neat. From Bacor, Cavite, small but elegant in style. From vacant to refined. From Cavite, basic to deluxe. From Pampanga, from bare to splendid view. From Silang, Cavite, so entrancing design. From Paranaque City, astonishing build. From Ortigas, Pasig City, sophisticated finished. Lastly, from Amadeo, Cavite, stunning classic beauty. A relaxing and enchanting scenery. Like, share and follow us on our Facebook page. Visit us to our website at www.magescoservices.com. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the subscription box below. Contact us at 091719000825, 090683320705, 092349640807, 0464232523. Thank you for watching.